Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem involving laws of indices, which is perfect test for beginner. So put away your calculators because we are going to solve this without any digital assistant. The challenge is as shown. It may seem complex at first, but we'll break it down step by step to make accessible for everyone. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share your answer in the comments. Then we'll explore the solution together. Let's get started. First, let's focus on the square root of 4 plus square root of 15. Here is an important trick. Write 4 plus square root 15 as a fraction. That is 8 plus 2 square root 15 over 2. Note that 8 can be written as 3 plus 5. Square root 15 can be written as square root 3 times square root 5. So 3 plus 5 plus 2 times square root 3 times square root 5 is equivalent to square root 3 plus square root 5 squared. Finally, this expression becomes square root 3 plus square root 5 over square root 2. Now using the law of indices, a to the power of m to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n, which is equivalent to a to the power of n power m. So the value of square root 3 to the power of square root 2 to the power of 2 times square root 5 eventually equals 3 to the power of square root 2 times square root 5. Using the same argument, we obtain a similar result as shown. Finally, the expression is equals to what's shown. Focus on the index. Square root 2 was cancelled, and using the formula a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared, the value that we want to find is 9. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more exciting math challenge in the future. Until next time, take care and bye bye.